Hi, my name is Stephanie Patton, and I'm the Adult Education Specialist at the Utah State Board of Education. And I just wanted to take a minute to explain to you the use of the HSE Candidate and Adult Education Eligibility Form. This form should not be confused with a withdrawal process. It specifically is used for adult education personnel when students are either enrolling in adult education or preparing to take the GED. So this is the form, and you can see the top section 1 is for both types of students, those who are desiring to enroll in adult education or wanting to take the GED. And it is important to make sure that the SSID, the school district code, and school number and district number are filled in when you complete this form, because that information is collected and sent out to school districts and schools for any students who have completed the GED or completed a diploma in adult education. So those outcomes are appropriately recorded and influence the dropout rate for the school. You can see there is a school counselor signature required, a school principal signature required, and the parent guardian granting permission. That's all on that top part of the form. The second part of the form is specifically for students who are wanting to take the GED test. And this really is verifying they are aware of the consequences of taking the GED. For instance, once they've completed the GED, they cannot return to K-12. They receive a Utah high school completion diploma and they're done with K-12. And so they need to understand that consequence, and their parents, again, giving permission that they understand those consequences as well. And then the third section here at the bottom is specifically for 16-year-olds who are desiring to take the GED, because there is an additional requirement that the 16-year-old show academic readiness. And oftentimes that can be done by them taking a GED Ready test. And that GED Ready test can be accessed online through the GED.com account that the student would have to create anyway in order to schedule the GED test. If they get a green good to go score on that GED Ready test, then we would say that they're ready to take the test and sign off on that. Once this form is completed, it needs to be turned into an adult education program. And there are adult education programs in every school district across the state, or at least access to an adult education program. And that program directory can be obtained at schools.utah.gov/adult education. And you're always welcome to reach out to any of the Utah State Board of Education adult education staff. We would love to answer any questions or concerns you may have.